In this tutorial, you'll learn how to access and download call recordings in SalesCaptain. Let's dive in. Let's dive right in. Click Calls in the left sidebar to navigate to your calls dashboard, find the recent call you're looking for in the list, and hit the play button under the Actions column to open up the Conversation Detail panel. From here, you can play back the full recording, adjust the playback speed to your liking, or click on the voice timeline to get a clear breakdown of who spoke and for how long. You'll also find our Captain AI summary right here, giving you the key points, recommended next steps, and a direct transcript of the entire conversation. When you're ready to save a copy, just click the download button next to the audio player and your recording will download as an MP3 file. That's all there is to it. And just like that, you can view and manage your entire call history, complete with audio transcriptions and AI summaries, all in one place right here in the Calls tab on SalesCaptain. And that's it! Head to salescaptain.com to start your free trial today.